Kato, come sit with me. I want to teach you a song.
A song? I love songs.
We're all connected like the threads of a rope. In a circle of community we all go. We help each other, we lend a hand. In our community, we all stand.
Ah, abuela, who helps our community.
Many people help our community. Like our neighbors, teachers, and doctors.
Abuela, what's your favorite tradition?
I love our cultural festivals. We share food, music, and dance.
Abuela, I want to help my friend Emma. She's feeling sad.
That's wonderful, Kato. What can you do to help her?
I can draw her a picture.
Look, Kato, everyone is celebrating together.
Wow. I see so many colors and people dancing.
We're all connected like the threads of a rope. In a circle of community we all go. We help each other, we lend a hand. In our community, we all stand.
Abuela, what's the story behind our traditional dance?
Mija, it's a story of love, struggle, and celebration. Our ancestors passed it down through generations.
We dance with joy, we dance with pride. Our traditions alive side by side. We honor our past, we celebrate today. In our community, we find our way.
Kato, help me prepare the food. We share with our community.
I love sharing food with everyone.
We share our food, we share our love. In our community, sent from above. Breaking bread, sharing smiles, together forever, all the world.
Abuela, can I practice the traditional dance?
Of course, Mija. Show me your moves.
I dance with joy, I dance with pride. My culture's rhythm, deep inside. I move my feet, I spin around, feeling connected without a sound.
Look, Kato, our community is together.
We're all celebrating our traditions.
We come together, young and old. Our traditions rich, our stories told. We share our love, we share our laughter. In our community, we find our strength.
Abuela, I love our community. It brings joy and unity and it makes everyone feel better.
I'm proud of you, Kato, and you make a difference. Also remember, community is about helping each other.
We come together, young and old. Our traditions rich, our stories told. We share our love, we share our laughter. In our community, we find our strength.